Good morning, good morning. This is Dr. Emilio Castrillon from Expressions of Life Chiropractic Center. We are located in Wesley Chapel, Florida, and today we want to start something called the Healthy Drops, in which we're going to start talking about tips to be a little bit more healthy every day, okay? So basically the first thing that we want to talk is about the sleeping time, okay? Why? Because it's 1/3 of our time that we are spending sleeping. So, and the quality of sleep is going to be related to the quality of your health directly. Then, in order to talk about the quality of sleep, we need to talk about there are cycles that occurs and happens along the day. And then the first one that I want to talk is about it's called the circadian rhythms, all the cycles, the entire cycles like that. And then the first cycle that I would like to talk is about the first one that is from 8 p.m. at night, approximately until 4 a.m. in the morning. During this time, our body is making in our brain, in an area that is called the pineal gland, is developing melatonin. This is the one that really is important or is necessary for our bodies in order to make another type of functions. Melatonin itself is not related just for the quality of sleep. That also relates to another type of hormonal developments as well in our bodies. But then, in order to develop very good quality of melatonin in our pineal gland, in our brain, we need to make sure we have everything to be dark, and for that reason is the adequate time between 8 p.m. until 4 a.m. approximately. So make sure everything is dark, turn off all your wireless devices, put away your cell phones in order to have a good quality of sleep. Avoid any blue lights as well, anything that can distract your attention during your sleeping time. That could be super important as well to take it out. Let's talk about the second cycle that starts from like 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning until noon. First thing, if you wake up in the morning like at 5-6 a.m., the first thing that you should do is normally go to the bathroom to evacuate. Why? Because your body was processing all the stuff, all the digestive things that was pending to complete. All that was complete at night, okay? So for that reason, normally, the normal thing is to go evacuate, do number one, number two, okay? And then in that way, you're gonna start your day having a rest for your digestive system, okay? So for that reason, some people say the breakfast is the most important meal in your day. I don't necessarily agree with that because it's regarding the quality of nutrients. And if you give the body nutrients the night before, the day before, so give the body a break. It's better to have some fruit. It's better to have something light to eat, or even if it's better if you just go with water until noon. That's super important, and it's going to be critical for your health. If you want a detox, if you have any chronic condition as well, it's super important that you have this healing time for your for your gut, to allow this time to be a healthy time. Also, let's talk about 12 until 8 p.m. That's the time in which your body is ready to receive new nutrients, also new toxins, because we have to adapt to the new environment as well. So that's the important time for the body to get those, okay? So as well, it's super important for this time, and also since the morning, to get sunshine. Why is important? Because the body needs to make vitamin D, but then the stimulations came if you get direct stimulation from the sunshine, from the lights. So that's the importance of understand how the body works. In the night, it's super important to be in a dark room with all the devices turned off or away. And also during the day, it's super important to have some sunshine as well in order to develop vitamin D in our body. Our body is a perfect factory that just need the right direction. You just need the right raw material. Just need the right employees working with the right attitude. I'm talking about the cells. So in order to have healthy cells, cells that are autosufficient, self-directed, we need to make sure they are working in the right direction. And everything is controlled by the nervous system. So check your chiropractor, check with your chiropractor, because that's the one that is going to make sure everything is having not communication interference. It's called subluxation. So make sure the chiropractor is checking for subluxation and is having everything clear, so your body is going to be coordinating everything that is supposed to be. I am Dr. Emilio Castrillon, and I hope this healthy tip is going to be beneficial for you. Share with your loved ones, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, just let us know, okay? We are here for you, and have a great day. See you then.